Okay, coming in the front door, staircase, entryway. Here is the formal living room, going into a formal dining room. Here is a very large kitchen. Nice cabinetry, eat-in kitchen, eating area. Door goes out to the backyard. This is the family room. Here. It's a deck. Large backyard. Nice neighborhood. People keep up the yards nice. That fence has recently been redone. Little dog area on the side of the house. Little desk area. This is a coat closet, laundry room, little nook. There, the light. Here is the first floor powder room. Back to the front door, going up the stairs. Here on the left is a linen closet. Here's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. These look over the backyard. Here's a larger bathroom with a tub and shower. Here is master bedroom. Looks over the backyard. Come into the master bath. Has a big walk-in closet. Double sinks. Bathtub and shower and another closet. And then this leads to the fourth and last bedroom. And on a clear day, this bedroom has a view of Mount Rainier. Not today.